Malacanang vows to assist the Filipinos who were arrested in Qatar for participating in an unauthorized political demonstration in support of former President Rodrigo Duterte. The Department of Foreign Affairs previously reported that 20 Filipinos have been arrested for suspected unauthorized political demonstrations in Qatar. The rally in Qatar was among the demonstrations held by the former president's supporters during his birthday on March 28. In a briefing on Monday, March 31, Presidential Communications Office Undersecretary Claire Castro says the Philippine government immediately sent a labor attaché and a lawyer to assist the arrested Filipinos.
Nung araw po na ito ay napabalita, agad-agaran po ang embahada natin po ay tumulong po agad. Nagpadala po ng labor attaché, isa din pong lawyer para po malaman at mapaglaban ang kanilang mga karapatan. At maliban po dyan ay kung ano pa po ang maaari natin ibigay na tulong, let's say mga care packages, na sa abot makakaya ng ating pamahalaan, ibibigay po natin sa ating kababayan sa nasabing bansa.
According to Castro, the government will assist the arrested Filipinos regardless of their background.
Obligasyon pa rin po ng ating pamahalaan, ng administrasyon, ang mga Pilipino, anuman po ang kulay nila. Wala po tayong sinisino, wala po tayong discrimination patungkol po dyan. Basta po kapwa Pilipino, tutulungan po yan ng administrasyon.
Former President Duterte is facing a charge of crimes against humanity he allegedly committed during his administration's war against drugs.